Parang may gulay-gulay.
Singapore halo-halo.
Ano yan? Walang gatas yan?
Ice katcha, ang tawag. Wala. Ano ganyan yata
Parang
talaga?
ulam eh.
Oo, no? Ganyan yata talaga halo-halo
May
nila.
green tea.
Parang ulam. Parang minudo. Charot.
Parang minodong binili.
Ice katcha. Ang hopper siya.
Maraming meron si nanay.
May iba na naman ang lasa.
Ha?
Halo-halo ng gatas.
Nakaibang halo-halo.
Oo. Kaya bang halo-halo yan?
Sarap. Parang may mani-mani. Parang siyang may mani. May mani talaga.
May salamin din.
O, nag-a-alarm nga, Kat. Ay. Yun, ang hindi na-scan. Hindi namin kasi alam kung ano yung hindi na-scan. Ayan, taas tayo.
Ladies and gentlemen, for those who are able, please rise for the Philippine National Anthem. We would like to invite our guests who are waving caps or hats to please remove them while the national anthem is played. Thank you.
Everyone is advised to follow these rules inside the venues. No shouting of profanities. Personal
Napakarami natin mga gagawin during the timeouts mga kapigay. So watch out. Kaya. Alright, Kuya Joel is trying to play hula hoops. Kuya Joel, sino ko? Kapigay na ito.
Thank you po, thank you po.
Medyo sumabay ng konti sa tayo. She's ready to dance with our idols. So mga kapibig, hindi mangyayari. Huwag naman the big screen kasi lalabas ang ating mga idol mula sa Meralco Boats. Sasayaw sila at kailangan lang makasayaw ng ching tulad ng ginagawa ng Meralco Boats. Kaya mo ba yung ching? Alright, mga kapibig, let's show some love. Walang mga naman natin because it's time to dance with your idol! Change out there, it's not Chris, so much Brandon Bates. May hindi ko kasi malalaman. Yan! 2 minutes. Second half na sa pagitan ng Blackwater Crossing at ng Meralco Falls. PBA Solid!
Alright, once again, that was our best player of the game, Chris Newsom of the Minnesota Bolts. Now let's turn it over to the post-game press conference with our game coach.
Ready for takeoff.
The PBA Philippine Cup is brought to us by Arena Plus, our official sports entertainment gateway. Daily Fantasy, our official fantasy game. Pocari Sweat, the official iron supply drink.
That's dehydrating. Like work from home overtime takes effort, causing your body to sweat. In cold temperatures, your body burns energy to stay warm. Having caffeinated drinks and alcohol can make you urinate more often. Fever causes sweating as your body is fighting viruses. And when you cry, you release body fluids through.
Of your PBA 50. Our second game for this evening features the TNT Tropa 5G versus Barangay Ginebra San Miguel. Well, let us now meet the starters first for the TNT Tropa 5G. Point guard is a two-time PBA champion from Apol Misamis Oriental, number 6, Graylan Bata. Shooting guard is a three-time PBA champion from Seattle Negros Oriental, number 8, Calvin Altana. Small forward is a four-time PBA champion from Talisay City, Cebu, number 16, Mark Fogoy. Power forward is also a four-time PBA champion from Cagayan de Oro City, number 12, Glenn Pobuntin. And at center from Ilocos Norte, number 32, Henry Galinata Jr. Well, let us now meet the starters for Barangay Ginebra San Miguel. Point guard is the PBA 46 season most valuable player from Tico City, number 9, Scotty Knoxon. Shooting guard from Las Piñas City, number 2, Jeremiah. Small forward is the 48th season Rookie of the Year from Angeles City, Pampanga, number 14, Stephen Halls. Power forward is a four-time PBA All-Star from Amulok, Cagayan, number 1, Roy Rosario. And at center is a 9-time PBA All-Star from Saswan, Pampanga, number 25, Japan Aguilar. Coaching Barangay Ginebra is Tinko. Game officials are Robin Bruta, Martin Montoya.
Ay, dyan nandito. Malinaw. Ha? Malinaw.
Time parking.
Kaliwa. Sa kayong dalawa eh. Dapat siya sa kaliwa eh.
Doon pa lang dapat.
Diretso lang.
Kain muna tayo dito sa The Original Pares. Sisig, Goto, Mami, Bulalo.